Well, you know, life's a funny thing. A little something happened in our home about a year ago, maybe. Well, no, you know, hasn't even been a year because
February. Yeah, I think it was February.
the, was it February? So we've used that new furnace. Well, anyhow, deals with our furnace, deals with headaches, nausea, chest pain, lethargy, and by now you can guess that it probably deals with carbon monoxide. All right, I'm Jim Aesop, and behind the camera is Brenda Aesop, and generally we're talking about auctions or we're live at an open house with real estate or something, but this time we just want to tell you about something that happened in this home with a carbon monoxide detector. So the thermostat up in the living room just would not control anything in the house. Furnace was just out of control. So I took it off the wall, went into town, said I need a new thermostat. Got a new thermostat, put that on, didn't do a thing. Turns out that Troy with Quality First Plumbing determined that our furnace was absolutely shot and pouring carbon monoxide into the house like you wouldn't believe. Well, that was a little hard to understand because we had this carbon monoxide detector plugged in the furnace room and we thought we were safe. Turns out, Troy says, that if it's 5 to 6 to 7 years old, more than likely it's outlived its lifespan. And you can't even get a test beep out of this now. That's been sitting, that carbon monoxide detector has been sitting by the exhaust for at least a half hour with the vehicle running. Not a peep out of it. It's just dead. So here's the story. Carbon monoxide detectors. Change them every 3-4 years. They say they can last maybe 5 years, but just kind of know about them, know where they are, know that you have one. There's something good. Make sure you have one, because if that furnace breaks down, and I don't remember, he told me the technical aspect of it, and I don't know where the hole was, but there was a hole in something, and it was filling the house with carbon monoxide. We couldn't watch TV because in that room you'd get a headache from sitting in there, that chest pain, everything that comes along with carbon monoxide poisoning was happening to us. If the plumbers hadn't come over and talked to us about the furnace, their plumbing and heating, I don't know that we'd be telling you this story right now. So we told our friends about it, comes up in conversation on occasion, and Brenda said, I have a great idea. We should probably tell a lot of the people that we've never met this story too. So it's definitely safety first. Carbon monoxide detector, pay attention to it, change the batteries. If you have an electric one, don't let that lull you into a false sense of security. So, thank you very much to listening to the story from our home, and someday we'll have another one for you. All right, thank you very much.